Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can change shipping rate in Shopify. First things first, we have to log in into our Shopify account as an admin, and now we can proceed with the whole operation. It's really easy, so let's watch how can I do it step by step. First of all, this is our workspace. We want to focus on the bottom left part of our screen and click on settings. Once we click on settings, we have to focus on this left side panel. For example, we have plan, billing, users and permissions, payment, checkout, shipping and delivery. And there we want to stop. We're gonna click on shipping and delivery, and here we are. We have shipping. Choose where you ship and how much you charge for the shipping at checkout. We have at the moment two options: domestic and rest of the world, and we want to click on manage. At the moment on this account I have 0 products, but it doesn't matter. We scroll a bit down. I'm from Slovakia, so that means it's domestic. Here we can add a rate. For example, we can go with standard and we can charge like $4.90. Sorry. We can charge $4.90 and done. So we have standard, which is free, and then standard, which is $4.90. Then we have an option for rest of the world. Then we can also add a rate, for example standard, and that's gonna be 20 euros, and done. So that's about it. We can just save it, and when we go to shipping and delivery, can manage it and then put it next to our products so our customers can exactly know how much shipping they have to pay. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.